Hi Draw So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to be coloring Dolores from Disney's Encanto. And the paper that I'm coloring on today is just your basic 8.5 by 11 Xerox paper that I've printed my drawing on. As for the colors, I'll be using alcohol markers and some color pencils just to bring out some details in her skirt and some highlights. So as you watch me color today, I hope it was very satisfying and that you were able to pick up some tips to help you color Dolores here a little bit easier and better, hopefully. And things like her hair, I hope that the little technique that I used where I just did swirls, that was able to help you. And the little details in her skirt where I just used color pencils to go over the marker, which has just made things a lot easier. And just things like her skin, how I just layered layer by layer to get to the darkness that I wanted for her skin color. And so like I said, I really hope this inspires you and that you'll give it a try, and let me know in the comments below if there's any other characters that you would love to have me color to help you out. And thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos.